Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is find the next term of the given sequence, and we have given the sequence like 16, then 16, 19, 27, 42, 66. Here, if we add 1 square minus 1 means 0 to 16, we will get 16. Then, if we add 2 square minus 1 to 16, we will get 19. Like that, if we add 3 square minus 1 to 19, we will get 27. Then in that 27, if we add 4 square minus 1, we will get 42. If we add 5 square minus 1 to 42, we will get 66. So like that, if we add 6 square minus 1 to 66, we will get 101. Hence, in the sequence 16, 16, 19, 27, 42, 66, next term will be 101. So, our correct option will be option D.